The Senate President is recognized.
Mr. Chief Justice, after the caucus, I am very pleased to report to Your Honor that there is a unanimous consensus to allow the witness to be presented tonight, subject to cross by the defense if they would want to do that. Mr. Chief Justice.
In view of the manifestation of the Senate President on the results of the caucus, among the judges during the suspension of the trial, the chair will now recognize the Honorable Senator Judge Sergio Osmeña III.
Mr. Chief Justice, I would like to withdraw my motion to call for nominal voting on this issue.
Any objection? The chair hears none. The motion to withdraw for a nominal voting is considered and deemed withdrawn. And in light of the announcement of the Senate President on the results of the caucus, where the members had unanimously agreed to allow the witness to testify, the chair will now make formal a ruling adopting, because he cannot do otherwise, the agreement of the members of the court. And therefore, the prosecution may now call the witness.
Raise your right hand and answer me. You, Clarissa Ocampo, do swear that the evidence you shall give in the case now pending between the Philippines and Joseph Ejercito Estrada, President of the Philippines, shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
You may now take your seat, Madam Witness. Attorney Bautista, you may now proceed to qualify your witness.
Mr. Chief Justice.
The Honorable Judge Attorney Flavignano.
May we respectfully reserve our right to object to the continued appearance of private prosecutors in this case.
That remains on record.
Yes.
That was clearly understood before, that it is always without prejudice to your objection to the appearance of private prosecutors in this proceeding.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice.
With your permission, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. This witness is being presented to prove that the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Joseph Ejercito Estrada, opened and maintained and still maintains accounts with Equitable PCI Bank under and using the name of Jose Velarde. May I proceed, Your Honor?
You were given permission to proceed already.
Thank you. Miss Witness, can you give us your personal circumstances?
I am Clarissa Emerita Gray Ocampo, married, 45 years old. My office address is at the 15th floor of Equitable PCI Bank, Makati Avenue, Makati City.
How long have you been with Equitable PCI Bank?
I have been with the bank for 19 years, but I started off with the ex-PCI Bank.
And Mrs. Ocampo, what is your present position at Equitable PCI Bank?
I am Senior Vice President and Trust Officer of the bank. As trust officer, I am a member of the trust committee. I am a member of the management committee of the bank. I am a member of the Asset Liability Committee core group of the bank and a member of the Retirement Committee of the bank.
And since when have you been the trust officer of Equitable PCI Bank?
I assumed the OIC status in August of 1999, and on October 1, 1999, I was appointed by the Board of Directors of Equitable PCI Bank to be the trust officer of the bank.
Can you please tell us, Mrs. Ocampo, what are your basic duties as the trust officer of the bank?
Basically, as trust officer, I handle the administration, management, and overall operations. I oversee the operations of the trust and fiduciary business, including investment management arrangements of the bank.